Hello everyone, I'm Greg. Nice to meet you again. Today I want to show you the tool set. A tray hat, 2 5V DC batteries, and a charger, socket kit, cherry bit, sockets, and other accessories. Everything you need for you to put here. So this is a handy and affordable tool set you'll be looking for. The 3 choke jack can hold a maximum diameter of 100mm, holding bits firmly without slipping. And it has an excellent precision. And it has a couple modes of 1400 RPM, and it features with speed leveling, 2-speed leveling, low and high, and 8 stroke adjustments, and with the flat tracking mode. And the speed and the cartridge speed control switch issue the power delivery without lag. And it also has a button forward, reverse switch, and with logging set, and with set logging. So if you are interested, just let me know.